Well, hello. Fancy seeing you here on a Friday night. Of course, because we've got some notes to take. Don't worry, this won't take long. You've got your notes out. The topic is horario de la escuela, school schedule, and the essential question, ¿cómo se dice más cosas de mi día en la escuela? And let's jump right to it. So, our first word is a verb, estudiar. It means, you know this one, to study. To cognate, take off the E, and it looks awfully familiar. All right, next one, enseñar. This one is new. Enseñar, this is what teachers do. We teach. Muy bien. Jot that down. So, enseñar, to teach. And how about necesitar? Also a cognate with the word necessity. Makes sense because necesitar means to need. All righty. To need, necesitar. All right, let's get some classroom items down, just a few extras. Calculadora. I know you're having a lot of trouble figuring out what this one means, but you're right, fax machine. Just kidding, it's calculator, and just in case you were taking that literally, don't. El diccionario, also a toughie. It means, I'm trying to think of something witty to say, but I got nothing, so I'll just tell you what it means. It means dictionary. And finally, la carpeta de argollas, which is, well, you know, carpeta is binder. Argollas would be kind of like those clicky rings. So it's what we would call a 3-ring binder. Oh, and let's make sure we got down the word horario itself. You have any essential question, but I just want to make sure we all know it means schedule. The root word there, hora, like hour, your hourly schedule. Okay, let's get some words to talk about your class schedule. We've got la clase de matemáticas, everyone's favorite. That's right, I guess. It's the best paying skill, along with la clase de ciencias naturales, which would be natural sciences, or in English we would just call it science, for short. Now, another ciencias clase, ciencias sociales, social sciences, what we would call social studies. And then we've got educación física, lots of cognates here, kind of nice. You know that adjectives go after the nouns, so in English we would say this, physical education. And we've got la clase de inglés, of course, which would be your English class. All right, a few more. La clase de arte. There you go. Now, actually, that would be impressionistic art, by the way, point of order. But, you know, it's Grumpy Cat by Van Gogh. We got our clase de español, which you already know all about. Hoorah! Español. And la clase de tecnología. This joke is actually pretty funny. And la clase de, well, actually this isn't a clase. It's kind of the least important of all of these in your school schedule. Almuerzo, lunch. I know, everyone hates lunchtime, but you just deal with it. You do the best you can. Okay, I'm out of fun memes because it takes a long time and I just ran out of time. So I'm just going to give you these words. Aburrido. Oh, these are words that can describe classes in your schedule. Although aburrido is one you would probably never use for any of your classes because that never happens at school. Boring. Divertida. This is more common, especially in Spanish class. Fun. We've got difícil, which is difficult, and its counterpart, fácil, easy, like cognate with facility, or facilitate, to make something easy. Favorita, I'm not even going to tell you what that one means. Well, I guess the screen will, whatever. Interesante, also a cognate, cognates everywhere. And al final, práctico, or práctica, which does mean practical. All right, clase, that's all I got for you. Make sure you got those notes down. Be prepared to show them in class on lunes. Have a great weekend. Adios.